Meta Smart Glasses can't pair with new phone. Step 1. Unpair from old phone. This is a crucial step. Open the MetaView app on your old phone and select Unpair or Remove Device. In your phone's Bluetooth settings, tap your glasses and select Forget Device. Step 2. Prepare a new phone for pairing. Install the MetaView app on your new phone, enable Bluetooth in settings, and open the app and tap Set Up New Device. Step 3. Put glasses in pairing mode. Make sure glasses are charged and powered on. Follow the app prompts to enter pairing mode. The LED flashes blue. Step 4. Restart device and rescan. Restart your new phone. Restart your glasses and hold the power button for 12 seconds. Open the app and scan again for your glasses. And lastly, you should complete the pairing setup. Once detected, select your glasses in the MetaView app and follow the on-screen setup steps to finish connecting.